Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we'll be learning about the table head. Now, in the last video, the table's headings were kept inside of the table's body. When a table's body is sectioned off, however, it makes sense to section it off the table's column headings using the T-head element. And you can see here, it says T-head. Right there. So essentially, it's like HTML. You guys know, like in the previous videos, how HTML has a head and a body. Same thing here. The headings are should be inside the head. The the essentially the body should be the all of the rest of the data. So in the example above, The, the only new element is T-head. The table headings are contained inside of this element. Note the table's head still requires a row in order to contain the table headings. Now additionally, only column headings go under the T-head, and we can use the scope attribute on the TH elements to indicate whether a TH is being used as a row or a column heading. So enclose the first row of the table in a T-head element. So the first row, we can simply just put it in, and we just lost connection right there. But we gain it right back, and simply just put T body, and again, sorry, not T body, T head right there, and again, we simply just put T head, and remember for the slash, and then we'll go ahead and essentially put it down one. My bad. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, run it, and there you all go. There you go. That's how it should be. And that will end it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.